The structural integrity is compromised here. See the plans.
Hit it hard. Lower it slowly. Watch the left side. All right, hold it there. Secure the brace. We've got significant foundation issues on this corner. It's worse than the survey indicated.
We need to reassess the support beams before we go inside.
Watch out below. It's coming down now. Clear the porch. Watch it. Lift it higher. Almost there. Secure that side. All right, next beam coming up. All right, easy now. Watch the edge. Set it down right there. We got it.
Heads up below.
Clear the area. We're lowering the mixer in 5.
It's starting to look really organized out here. Yeah, the stone pathway really cleans up the rural look.
I think we can approve this phase.
Everything looks exactly as planned. The clients will be very happy.
The elevation drop here is significant.
Mark it down as 4.5 meters.
Watch the north corner. It looks unstable.
Cut the next one the same length. All right, lift this truss up slowly. Steady now, watch your footing. Hold it right there. Easy now. A little higher on the left, watch the edge. All right, bring it in slow.